Welcome all. We are going to start our new lesson, that is division part 2. In our first semester we have already seen division part 1. What actually division is? If 15 chocolates are there and there are 5 students. If there are 15 chocolates and there are 5 students, and if teacher tells you to distribute them equally, when the word comes equally, once, so always remember you are supposed to do the division. So 15 chocolates, how many students are present? 5 students. So your 5 will be the divisor, 15 will be the dividend. We will say the 5 table up till 50. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 50. So your answer is 0, 0. So this will be your remainder and this will be your quotient. These all things we have studied in our first semester. So now we are going to see the next part of it, which is based on word problems. So I'll just rub this out. Okay. So just see over here. Divide 56 notebooks equally among 7 students. There are how many notebooks? 56 notebooks. And teacher have told you to divide them among 7 students. So 7 will be here, 56 will be here. So you are going to say the table of 56. Sorry, you are going to say the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. So we are going to subtract this. So this will be your quotient. And what they have asked you the question? How many each will you get? I have told you the words each. 1. If like these words are coming in the main question, this is your main question. From how many till this get. So in that main question, if the word occurs like 1, each, equally distribute among them. If like these words are occurring, you are always supposed to do division. Okay? So there are how many notebooks each student will get? Yes. Each student will get 8 notebooks. Okay? We will see the next part. So now we are going to see the next question. There are 87 bits. How many necklaces of 9 bits each can be made and how many bits will left over? So they have asked you, there are total 87 bits. Bits means money. So from the 87 bits, how many necklaces you are going to prepare? In one necklace, they want how many bits? They want 9 bits. Okay, and how many are going to left over? So what is the remainder they have asked you? So now we are going to divide that 87 by 9. So we are going to say the table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. I cannot take 9 tens are 90 because it will exceed this 87. So I am going to take 9 nines are 81. 7 minus 1 is how much? 6. 8 minus 8 is 0. So what is the question asked to you? How many necklaces of 9 bits can be made? So 9 necklaces, this is your answer main. 9 necklaces can be made. And what is the next question? How many bits will left over? So these are the leftover bits. 6 bits will be remaining. I hope you have understood this. We will see the next question. So now we are going to see the next part, a very important part. Dividing 3-digit number by 1 digit, that is single digit number. 3-digit number means what? You can see over here 484. It is divided by which number? Divided by 4. How we are supposed to do? Just see carefully. While doing the division, you are going to consider this first number. You are going to watch at this first number. Which is this first number over here? 4. Okay, you are always going to focus on this first number. Now start the table until you get 4. Start the table till you get 4 in that table. So how I am going to start 4's table? 4 ones are 4. I got table 4. So 4 ones are 4. What I will do now? I will subtract it. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. What I will do now? I will take this 8 down. Always remember one number at one time, not two numbers. Okay? You cannot take this 84 down. You will take only one number one time. Right now, this 08 means what? This 0 is negligible. You can only consider 8. Now, say the table of 4 till you get 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Again I got 0. Now, which number is remaining on the top still? Yes, 4 is still remaining. That 4 I am going to take here down. Okay. So, 4's table you are going to say up till 4. 4 ones are 4. So, 4 ones are 4. So, you got the answer, that is 121. We will see the next part of this. Sorry. 396 divided by 3. So, you are going to focus on the first number, that is 3. Sorry. 3 ones are 3. Okay. So, 3 minus 3 is what? Yes, it is 0. You will take this 9 down. Say 3's table up till you get 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. You got 0 over here. Now take this 6 down. Okay. 3's table you are going to say up till 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So what I got answer over here? Yes, my answer is 132. I hope you have understood this. We will see the next question. 2's table, we are going to divide this by 2. 2's table you are going to say up till 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 how ones are 4? 2 twos are 4. So 2 twos are 4. Okay. Now this 6 I am going to take now. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. And I am going to take this 8 down. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. So you got the answer, that is 234. This is the division of 3-digit number by a single digit number. We will see the next part. So now we are going to see the next part of it. These questions are based on the same part but little different from the earlier one. 815 divided by 2. 815 divided by 2 means what? You are going to divide 815 by 2. So how you are supposed to do a divide? You just see over here. You are going to start table of 2. So 2 how much are? So now just see, we are going to start with 2. 2 how much are 8? Just focus on this first number. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So we want 8, so we have taken 2 fours are 8. 8 minus 8 is how much? Yes, it is 0. Now we will take this 1 down. Okay. Now tell me, in 2's table does 1 occur? Or in 2's table does 1 come? 2 ones are 2 it is, not 2 ones are 1. We are saying 2 ones are 2. So this 1 is not coming in 2's table. So what we will do? We are having better option. If it is not coming in any of the table, we will take 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. We are having no option, so we have taken what? 2 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 itself. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we will take this 5 down. Now say the table of 2 till you get 15 or near to 15. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 eights are 16. We are having 2 sevens are 14 and we are having 2 eights are 16. Now 2 eights are 16 we cannot take because it will extend this 15. So we can take 2 sevens are 14. So my answer is, remaining is 1 and the main answer is 407. So we will focus on the next question. 3, we are supposed to divide this to 43 by 3. Just focus on this first number, I have told you. Now, in 3's table does 2 occur? No, 3 ones are is 3. I have told you, when it is not coming in that table, what is the option for us? 0. 3 zeros are 0. Okay? So 2 minus 0 is what? 2. It will come down. Now take this 4 down. 3 how much are 24? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. It is 3 eights are 24. And what is remaining now still? 3 is remaining. 3 how much are 3? 3 ones are 3. So what is the answer? The answer is 81. Don't calculate the further 0. Take the next numbers. Okay. So now focus on over here. We are supposed to divide 908 by 4. 4 how much are near to 9? We are going to focus on this first number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. And 4 threes are 12. I cannot take 12 because from 9 I cannot cancel out 12. So I am going to take one step behind, that is 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8. Which will be the nearer that I am going to take. I am not supposed to take 4 ones are 4. It's not that near. 4 twos are 8 is more near for that thing. This 0 will come down. 4 twos are 8. Because 4 threes are is 12 and 12 is bigger than this 10. So I am going to take 4 twos are 8. Now 10 minus 8 is how much? It is 2. And this 8 will come down. In 4's table does 28 occurs? Yes. 4 sevens are 28. So the answer is 2 to 7. I hope you have understood this question. We will see the last part of this lesson. So next part of this you can see over here. We have almost seen these division questions, but now it is based on zeros. Most of the time students get confused with these zeros. Don't try and get confused. Just see properly, you will understand this concept. We are supposed to divide 500 by 5. Now, by our earlier method, we are going to focus on the first number. 5's table 5 occur. So 5 ones are 5. Okay? So 0 will come down. Now see over here, this 0 is also present. 0 at the first is having no value, but 0 at the back is always having value. 0 which are present over here, they are having always the value, but 0 at the front. For example, 0, 5 is 0 itself. Sorry, it's 5 itself. And 5, 0 is 50. So see the difference of 0. The position of 0 determines the value of it. If it is at the back of the number, it will increase the value. If it is at the front, it will decrease. It will keep the value constant. Okay? So just see over here. This 0 I got over here down. Now, 5 how much are 0? 5 zeros are 0. Again 0 came down. Now this 0 is still remaining. So 5 zeros are 0. Just give out that zeros and finish the value. Now there is no number I could take down. So my answer is over. Don't stop the answer till you get 5. 5 ones are 5. Our teacher, my answer is 1. Sorry, you are wrong. These remaining zeros I have told you, they are consisting of value. They have the value. So please give them the proper values. Over here, 2, you are going to divide 400 by 2. So 2 how much are? We are just going to focus on this 4. 2 twos are 4. So this 0 will come over here down. This 0 I am going to cancel over here. I am going to bring it down. 2 how much are 0? 2 zeros are 0. And this 0 I brought down again. 2 how much are? 2 zeros are 0. So my answer is 200. Okay. Now over here, 7. You are going to divide 980 by 7. 7 how much are? We are going to focus on this first number. 7 ones are 7. So 7 ones are 7. What is remaining? 2 is remaining. 9 minus 7 is 2. This 8 will come down. 28 is the number. So 7 how much are 28? 7 fours are 28. This 0 0. Now this 0 is still remaining. We will bring it down. You are supposed to bring it down. So 7 how much are 0? 7 zeros are 0. So there is no number remaining over here to bring down. So this is your final answer. I hope you have understood this division lesson. I will give the question answers soon. Thank you.